In this quick video, I'll show you how you can set up your audio and video settings on Discord if you've just gone and downloaded it. So what you need to do when you first open it is go to your user settings, which is in the bottom left hand corner, and then go to voice and video. Here you're going to see some voice settings which I'll walk you through now. So first what you need to do is go to your input device and make sure you choose the microphone you're going to be using on Discord. I'm using here my Rode NTS USB microphone, but you would choose any microphone that you're going to use. Then go to output device and choose the speakers that you're going to use, or maybe choose your headset if you're going to use a headset. Then you've got your input volume and your output volume. Your input volume is going to be how loud your microphone sounds on Discord, and then your output volume is going to be how loud other people sound. Obviously you might have to customize this later when you get into a call with other people. Once you've done that, we can then go to the mic test. So if you click here on let's check, you're going to start hearing yourself, and you can test whether your microphone is working. If then bars go up, then obviously your microphone is working. Then scrolling down even more, we've got the input mode. The main one which everyone uses is voice activity. Whenever you're in a call, whenever you speak, people will just obviously be able to hear you unless you go and mute your microphone. Or you can go and change it to push to talk. This will basically mean that you can only speak to other people when you click a shortcut. So mine's set to the shortcut Z. So whenever I click Z, I'm then going to be able to talk, but no one really uses this. You can mute your microphone anyway, so just use voice activity if I was you. Then we'll get into the input sensitivity here. Now this is quite important to set up. So you can automatically have this enabled, so Discord detects what sensitivity your microphone is, so they can output it to other people. But when you do this, people are going to be able to hear any background noise and you clicking on the keyboard, and so it's not nice. What you want to do is you want to customize this. So this white bar here, anything to the left of the white bar, any noise to the left of the white bar, people aren't going to be able to hear. So for example, when I click on my keyboard, you can see that noise only goes to about here, so it's not picked up on Discord. You can see when I'm speaking, my voice goes further than this white bar, so anything further than that white bar is going to be picked up through Discord. So basically what you need to do is make sure that your voice just goes a bit further than the white bar, and then when you click on your keys, they obviously don't go past the white bar, and that way nobody will be able to hear what you're typing on your keyboard. Then moving on, we've got the video settings. You can then choose your web camera. So I'm going to choose this one. We can then test that video by clicking on test video, and then here I am. And that's pretty much all you need to know about setting up your voice and video on Discord. Once you've done all this and you've customized it, you can go exit here, and it now should all be working for when you go and join a call on Discord.